Welcome, and get ready to discover a game-changing tool for your creative workflow, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator. If you've ever spent hours opening PSD files, replacing smart objects, resizing designs, and exporting images one by one, you know how time-consuming and repetitive it can be. This tool changes all of that. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator takes those boring, manual tasks and transforms them into a fully automated, lightning-fast process, giving you perfect mockups in just a fraction of the time. Whether you create product images for t-shirts, mugs, posters, packaging, or any other design, this tool is built to deliver speed, accuracy, and professional results. It's not just about saving time, it's about scaling your business, impressing your clients, and freeing yourself to focus on what really matters, creativity. So how does it work? At its core, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator automatically places your designs into smart object templates, scales them intelligently to fill the entire canvas, and exports them as ready-to-use images. It works with both single-sided and double-sided products, and it can handle anything from one single PSD file to entire folders containing hundreds of mockups. The scaling system is especially powerful. It uses 3 fallback methods to make sure your design always covers the full area of the smart object with no blank edges, no empty borders, and no manual resizing required. Now let's discover the 4 powerful modes that make this tool so flexible and versatile for every type of workflow. Mode 1, one side, single PSD. Perfect for when you have one mockup file with a single smart object and multiple designs you want to showcase. Just load your PSD, select your designs, and the tool will automatically create a complete set of mockups for you. Mode 2, one side, multiple PSDs. If you have an entire folder full of different one-sided mockups, this mode is a lifesaver. You can apply the same design to all of them in one run, or process multiple designs across all those mockups without lifting a finger. Mode 3, double side, single PSD. For products with 2 printable sides, like books, mugs, or t-shirts with front and back designs, this mode automatically inserts both designs into the correct smart objects in your PSD, perfectly aligned and scaled every time. Mode 4, double side, multiple PSDs, the ultimate batch mode. If you have a large collection of double-sided mockups, you can process them all in one go, applying matching front and back designs across dozens or even hundreds of PSDs automatically. Beyond the modes, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator is loaded with smart features. Auto Smart Object Detection. No more hunting through complicated layer structures. The tool instantly identifies the correct layers for your designs. Triple Fallback Smart Scaling. Guarantees your design always fills the canvas, even if it slightly exceeds the smart object area for perfect coverage. Batch PSD processing. Whether it's one PSD or an entire folder, the tool processes everything with the same speed and accuracy. Custom export options. Choose JPG or PNG, set your preferred size, and customize file naming with prefixes and suffixes. Progress tracking and cancel option. See exactly how far along the process is and stop it at any time if needed. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator isn't just a tool, it's a complete productivity upgrade for anyone working with mockups daily. It saves you hours of repetitive work, delivers consistent professional results, and lets you focus on designing and selling.